The next story, the next innovation story we're going to hear is from company BSH. It's going to be presented by Matjaž Filo.
Do you like to drink coffee? I love it. Maybe because it's not only a beverage. It offers you a pleasure to meet people and to talk with them. Because of all the joy coffee is offering, a lot of people decide to have at home a fully automatic espresso maker to make a nice smelling cup of coffee only in a few seconds. And maybe if you didn't know, in Slovenia we have also one of the largest European manufacturers of these appliances. In BSH Nazarje we produce them over 8 years. And one of these machines is also our innovation. Our story began about 5 years ago. Our colleagues from marketing were analyzing market situation, and based on this, they decided that we need to improve our position in premium market segment. We get a very challenging task. We need to make appliance which will have innovative features which will not only meet but exceed expectations of consumers. Result of development is appliance with unique design, made all around of stainless steel in combination with high gloss plastic, with large display, with animated graphic. Something with what you can show off to your friends when they come to visit you. Operation is really easy and intuitive. You can get your first espresso in the morning with only one touch of button. And by that, you don't risk to wake up your kids, since the machine is operating really silent. Most passionate coffee fans will be thrilled about detailed barista settings and about possibility to use 2 different types of coffee beans, since machine has 2 separated bean containers. And on the end, when you find your perfect beverage setting, you can simply save it under your profile, which you can call back anytime. Can you imagine? There is 33 patents inside this machine. Advanced technique is guarantee for perfect quality of all coffee specialties. We are very proud that product from Slovenia is coming and is sold so successfully on most demanding European markets. We are also very proud that we were awarded as Product of the Year 2016 inside Global BSH Group, where hundreds of new products are developed every year. Our innovation is the result of successful teamwork. You will see some of us here today, but this is just a tip of an iceberg. There are many other from Slovenia, Germany, Slovakia, and elsewhere which has contributed to our success. Thank you.
Thank you. The rest of the team, please. So we're halfway through, 7 out of 14. And you could see that I keep referring to what's happening on stage as stories, not that much as innovations or technology, but stories. We're going to come to that at the end. The awards. Thank you very much.